Hello folks, this is Tech20 coming at you with another tutorial. Today we're going to be covering how to resize columns and rows. So as you can see, we have a row here and columns, and looks like everything's kind of flowing over into the B, some into the C column. Um, the rows aren't doing too terribly bad, so we'll make them look pretty bad too. And so what we need to do is we need to resize these, okay? So what we're going to do is just go ahead and just like I just did, go ahead and you can either click and hold and then drop it to resize it manually. Or Excel does have a pretty cool feature built in if you click up here or just anywhere on the page or just even on that cell. So let's say I just wanted to rearrange the two cell. If I double click on it, it'll actually automatically resize the row. It will not do um, the column. You'll have to do the same thing up here. Is just come up here and double click on it, and that'll resize it. You can also set the column width by doing this and then doing right click and then come here to column width. That will actually automatically set it to whatever you want it to set to. So if you want it set to 50 pixels, you can go ahead and do that. And it'll be a little bit oversized, but it'll give you plenty of room. Same thing, or you can actually just come over here, make everything small again, click on that there, highlight the entire spreadsheet. That will do all of the columns, make them all go to where they need to be, and then you can come over here, double click on one of the lines in the columns where you see that up and down arrow, double click on that. That will automatically do all the rows to the size that they need to be. If you're finding any of this content helpful, please do feel free to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks.